Dobar dan. My name is Helen and I am the new British Deputy Ambassador to Croatia. So my role here in the embassy is mainly focusing on the daily management and sort of overseeing the functioning of the embassy. I'm also involved in representing the UK here in Croatia. Especially when our ambassador Andrew Dalglish is away, I will act as the UK chargé d'affaires here. It's a fantastic time to be arriving here in Zagreb in terms of the beautiful sunshine and weather, and my family and I are really looking forward to exploring the beautiful Croatian countryside and coast, of course while observing all the important COVID-19 restrictions. So here I am, I'm on Twitter. I'm really looking forward to engaging with Croatians, so please tweet me, and I'm really looking forward to the conversation. Thanks, Hvala Bok.